So this is the front trunk of a 986, and as you can see, we can pretty much fit another bag, I would say, in here. And so yeah, another bag will do. That's just it's a pretty big size for a frunk on a 986. You feel like 3 bags in here total. Let's say they're all full and you're set, plus you have the trunk still. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Back at it again with another video. You know what I'm saying? We got Sydney here in the passenger seat, and so it's another road trip. We're taking the Porsche on another road trip, and so we have a few stops that we need to go to first. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're on the way to a quick little quick little photo shoot stop for the Porsche, and you guys have seen this one before with the Honda Accord. It's that same exact location, and so I'm gonna take this off right here. But I just put in some octane booster here to, just in case we do end up having to get like a 91 or 89, you know what I'm saying? And so, oh gosh, this one is just ridiculous sometimes. But yeah, so far the Porsche is running well. The only issues right now that we have is that, so the AOS, right? The bottom rubber part of the AOS, like the ribbed part, it's loose. And the pinch hose clamp that Joseph and I put on last time was actually the wrong size. And so what we'll do, I already ordered the new part. I'll put up a picture here. What we'll do is we'll put in the correct hose clamp size and replace it with the old hose clamp. And I just basically have to refit that ribbed rubber piece on that AOS, right? And so that's the whole plan for it. Off ramp. Yeah. Let's go. This is what it would look like, so hang on here. guys, so we just made it to Lake Easton. I know it's like super windy out here, but yeah, we got it, Lake Easton, you know what I'm saying? We made it. Let's go down here. I gotta take a piss anyways. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's so windy out here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so nice out here. Just finished eating. It's so windy out here, guys. But the Porsche made it. The Porsche is fine. And so honestly, this road trip was pretty sick. We didn't really do a lot of stops. And shout out to this one. This is some good food. It's so windy out here. We continue vlogging in the car so you guys can properly hear me. So the next stop is we're gonna stop by at the hotel. It's gonna be pretty sick. Are those bullet holes? Oh, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Okay, so check that out. Interesting. Right now we're in Ellensburg. It's 3:30 and the check-in time was like 3 p.m.-ish to 12 a.m. So glad we could make it. And it's, yeah, pretty sick. Pretty sick. So this is the Porsche on the gravel road here. So far it's doing pretty well. I mean, running on 5-year-old tires, you know. So, oh my gosh, guys. The car's gonna be dirty. Dirty. So this is the light bulbs for the Porsche 986 that I have with the H7 LED bulbs. Okay, brights, fog lights. Alright guys, so we just finished our stay here at the hotel and we're about to head out right now. And so we got the Porsche right here. Everything's all in the trunk. Everything's all in the trunk too. Shout out to Hotel Window. This was such an amazing stay, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? And so we're about to head back into the whip right now. Yups. I really low-key need to get this tinted, I ain't gonna lie. But we're in the no parking loading zone. And so, yeah, we are on the way. This was such an amazing road trip, to be honest. This was so cool. You know, we got to see a lot of stops and everything. And so we got food, we got breakfast, you know, and unfortunately they didn't have breakfast inside, but you know, that's all right. It was all good because, to be honest, like the whole interior was very nice. And so, you know, we got the whole cool lamps, very cool lamps inside. And so, yeah, we're about to get going right now. I'll catch you guys. Alright everybody, so we are at spot number 2. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty chill in here. We got like a bathroom upstairs, downstairs. We got a bathroom there. We got the dishwasher in there. It's actually pretty interesting. So yeah. As soon as we hit the road, I'm relaxing right now. I'm so relaxed. It's so comfy up in here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, as soon as we hit the road, then we'll get going. So yups. Hey, what it do, everybody? It's the next day, you know. We just finished the wedding, and honestly, it was so amazing. It was pretty fun. Got to meet a lot of new folks, and I'm very thankful that we were invited. I was invited, you know. But yeah, so we're heading home now, and We were going to take the 3-hour drive home, but it ended up, we would be home at like 10:49. Low-key, I ain't trying to do that, you know what I'm saying? Because you gotta unpack and shit. Next morning grind, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so it's that golden hour, you know what I'm saying? And thank you for everybody watching the video and staying tuned up to this part especially. So thank you again. Make sure to subscribe, like, and just enjoy the rest of the scenery, you know what I'm saying?